Good morning.
Good morning.
We got Galaxy Buds
Yes.
pre-order event gifted. Galaxy Buds, what is it? Buds Pro 2.
Yes.
It came out last year August, so it's just 6 months. So it's a new item. Oh,
Oh.
and then the color is white.
Case, and it's random case. And the case I got is
What is
a mushroom. You know Smurfs?
I
The
know. It's
cartoon?
old cartoon.
Ah.
My age, everyone should know. But new generation, MG, they don't know.
But yeah, I used to watch the Smurfs as a kid. Samsung.
Okay, open it. Let's see inside.
Samsung.
Oh, it's already little charge, I think. Take out. It looks like this. Left to right is separate. You can put just in your ear. I don't know exactly there are how many speaker and then mic is here. But one thing I can see, there is black speaker. There is black speaker here side. Okay, I think so. You need to
I
charge.
was right. I'm not.
This is not charged. We need to charge first because we cannot connect it. Bluetooth, there is no signal. So let's see after charging. Anyway, I think it's much better than previous version. I have also Galaxy Buds, but this one is Galaxy Buds Live. So this one has been just 2 years, so this one is old one. And then compared to mine, the design is very different.
Sure.
Mine looks like just pink bean. Show me mushroom. Uh-huh.
I am a mushroom.
All this.
But now it doesn't want to come out. That's what I'm saying. Did I do it backwards?
No. You did right work. And then? Yes. 참나. Right. And then you open. And then you can charge this house. And then there is little home, house home. You can see it's charging.
Ah, the light.
And then how is it? Oh!
Oh, the little light. Okay, it is cute. Ching.
This is pre-order event, and then she got already another pre-order event for upgrade 512 GB from 256 GB. This video is done. We are gonna review after we are using sometimes. See you later. Bye.
Bye.